Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I will be showing you how to make a website in Webflow. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly. So you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys, go ahead and open up the official webflow.com website right here and log into your account. After logging in guys, you can go ahead and see that you will be greeted by this main page right here where you can see all of the options that you can access in Webflow, such as your dashboard, marketplace, resources, and so on. Here you will be able to see all of the websites that you have made on your Webflow account. I have already made a website, but guys, if you are going to go ahead and open up a new website, what we have to do is go ahead and find this button right here called New Site. So what we want to do is go ahead and click on New Site. After we click on New Site, this will now bring us to this page where we can go ahead and select the template that we want to use. As you can see, you have a couple of basic free templates, and if you scroll down, you can find all of the templates that are paid and that are a bit expensive. You can see you can buy this template right here and then use this template for your website already made for you. But guys, if you do not want to pay for a template, you can use any one of these basic ones right here. So I'm going to select this one right here. Let's give it a name. Let's say Test Site. So now we're going to go ahead and click on the Create Site button right here, and this will now open up the website. It will take a couple of seconds for it to be created. As you can see, now we have successfully created a new website. We can get started with editing it. So as you can see, we have the left and right side page where we can use to edit our website. The left side of the page we can use to add new elements to our website and to see what elements we already have. We can see our site settings and so on. And the right side of the screen, we can use these options to edit and style how those elements look. So if we add an image, we will be able to style it right here under the style option. We can see element settings and so on. So guys, basically those are just some basic info to help you get started with making your website. You can go ahead and experiment with these options right here to make the website how you want it to look. But yeah guys, that's about it for today's video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.